Adoption of sustainable design continues to grow. There are 65,000 LEED projects in the pipeline, and its popularity is growing around the world. But people are also starting to think about, how does the environment that I work in affect my health? We spend over 90% of our time indoors. And more, the younger generations are prioritizing a healthier work environment as they decide where they want to spend that 90% of their time. In this article, we wanted to take stock of the current state of sustainability in design, to understand how green or sustainable design has grown and how it continues to evolve. After talking to a range of project stakeholders and analyzing current trends, we find that prevailing thinking is going beyond the carbon footprint of a building or its energy efficiency to include the health of the occupants inside the building or the wellness factor. And this trend influences project owners as well as employees choosing the environment that they want to work in and the employers that are competing for that talent. Design firms need to keep pace with changes and evolution in sustainable design. They need to extend their capabilities beyond simple LEED standards to include emerging wellness standards. And technology is an important component of innovation and sustainability as well. And so equally, firms need to stay at the leading edge of new technologies and systems and building products that address occupant health. Property owners and employers are finding that they can't leverage a simple LEED certification the way they used to. Employers are finding that the wellness or the health of the working environment actually improves productivity amongst its workers. And the millennial generation, which is now the most influential component of our workforce, is prioritizing the health of their work environment, and it's influencing where they choose to work. I think that all of our constituents, including architecture firms, engineering firms, construction firms, property owners, property developers, would all benefit to understand where's the current state of sustainability in their industry and where do they stand relative to that. Are they at the leading edge? Are they behind? And how's this going to impact the way they want to operate going forward?